Take off or landing? The global air passenger market soared 7% in the first quarter. That's the strongest start to a year since 2012. But there are signs that growth may slow. The International Air Transport Association has warned of turbulence and that the stimulus that air traffic has received from low oil prices and fuel costs is starting to fade. But so far, the trade body expects the decline in airfares to support passenger growth over the coming months.
Air transport industry enjoyed the best time in history these days because firstly, the oil price is low. But that's not a major reason. The major reason is traveling demand is very high these days.
The IATA is sticking to its 2016 profit outlook for the global airline industry of $36.3 billion. That's up from around $33 billion last year. This is a net profit margin of 5.1%, and around 3.8 billion passengers are expected to travel in 2016 worldwide.
I'm traveling to Changsha today. The travel style of today, the domestic and international tourism, are all contributing to this growth.
That's why China's largest privately owned carrier, Hainan Airlines, is broadening its global reach and adding more international routes.
1 week from now, we will be start our service from Beijing to Manchester. And April 28th, we just launched Beijing Tel Aviv. And we have Calgary, Beijing Calgary down the road, which will be on June the 30th. So a lot more new destinations are on the way. And also, in addition to these, we also have in some short-haul routes, which include Japan and Southeast Asia, and also Korea markets.
Despite headwinds, the 200-member association also forecasts that China will overtake the US as the world's largest passenger market by 2029, and that by 2034, China will account for 1.2 billion passengers worldwide. Easier visa procedures will also boost growth.
Important countries like USA, they gave 10 years visa to Chinese travelers. And many other important countries too. That will greatly encourage the market growth.
China's aviation boom has also been driving a frenzy in airport construction. This is the old Terminal 3 at Beijing Capital Airport, the second busiest airport in the world in terms of passenger traffic after Atlanta. Soon there will be the new Beijing International Airport Terminal 1, designed by the late star architect Zaha Hadid, which will serve 125,000 passengers each day and become the world's largest. It is due for completion in 2019. Martina Fuchs, CCTV News, Beijing.